You can't stop Biafra Oduduwa agitators by force of arms alone. Atiku tell federal government. Former Vice President Atiku Abubakar has said force of arms alone cannot dissuade agitators of Biafra and Oduduwa republics from continuing with their demand to exit Nigeria. According to Atiku, until the Nigerian leadership lives up to the country's motto of unity and faith, peace and progress, and until every citizen feels carried along, calls for separation would continue to arise. The former vice president stated this in his message to Nigerians on the country's 60th anniversary. We cannot defeat separatist group by force of arms alone. We can only defeat separatism by making all Nigerians feel like they belong. And this is only possible when we live up to the words of our national mottos: unity and faith, peace and progress, he said. Atiku also cautioned the federal government against incessant borrowing, which he claims threatens the country's economic independence. As a nation, we asserted our independence in our infancy by lending to other nations. We must be careful not to lose the hard-won independence of our heroes past by learning to live within our means. We can put a stop to the needless borrowings that threatens our economic independence. He added that our nation is in dire need of healing. We must foster unity and douse the tense atmosphere which is breeding feelings of alienation. We must promote freedom of speech and freedom after the speech. As such, in the spirit of our 60th independence anniversary, I call on the federal and state government to release all political prisoners and detainees and discontinue the prosecution of such individuals. If Nelson Mandela could reconcile with those who imprisoned him for 27 years, we can reconcile with those who have disagreed with us. Atiku further on those who have taken up arms against Nigeria to have a rethink whatever differences they may have with the rest of Nigeria. Whether religious, ethnic, or political, terror, violence, and separatism are not the way. Let us learn from history in Ireland, Israel, and the Balkans. Such groups have seen the wisdom in giving up armed struggle for participation in the political process. There is much wisdom in the saying that to janja is better than to war. We must accept the reality that we are all brothers and sisters, seared by our fatherland, he said. Thank you for listening to this news. Well, my viewers, Atiku Abubakar just stated it, and he stated it right anyway. And that is, if the president, Muhammadu Buhari, will heed to that advice, you cannot stop violence and agitation with false arms, with false attack. By doing that, you are only motivating them and increasing them with more powers. You are motivating them and giving them courage to carry on. You really need to make them feel as if they belong, as Atiku have just said. You really need to call them. You really need to bring them to yourself. Make them feel at home. Make them feel that yes, they are part of the country, of the folds, of the congregation. Then you cannot start talking to their senses. What they never expect, they will start saying it. Before you know, they will start blaming themselves. But in your own case, the President Muhammadu Buhari, you believe that everything must be done with force. See, things are not done with force, sir. If you do things with force, you get it hot. You get it hot. It doesn't go down well. I don't support that fact. I don't. You understand? So it is good you do the right thing at the right time. You want to stop Biafran agitation. You are sending the Nigerian police to attack them. You want to stop the Biafrans from agitating. You send the Nigerian army against them. Why? Are you the first president of this country? Others have ruled before you, yet they never behaved the way you behaved. I'm totally disappointed in this administration. This is the only administration I see that does things with force. The other administration consults professionals before taking any decisions. But this one is a different thing entirely. A different thing entirely. Yes, we know that you're a military man, but that doesn't mean that you will be controlling everyone with that military idea. You always it's always your own opinion and your own idea alone, and no other person's idea. If it's not your idea, it can never be any other person's idea. They don't do things that way. If you're doing things like that, the country cannot move forward. The country cannot move forward. Atiku Abubakar is right this time. Very much right. A home is not built a day. It's not built a day. When people come outside to air their view, you attack them and say they don't have the voice and the right to speak. For what and why? Are we not in a democracy? Is our country not practicing democracy? Are we not in a democratic system of government? This is the only administration I see that goes against the system of this country, the laws of this country. Yes. Like seriously, and I'm totally disappointed in this administration. I'm totally disappointed. So my viewers, please do well to leave your own comments concerning all that has just been said. They are very much important. Alright? Don't hesitate to leave them behind. Click on the subscription button as well as bell button to receive more updates. Thank you.